Ria amang'ana y'endemero ime county ya Nyamira nigo kiaba kigutuguterare amasakara y'endemero gose title deed ya ye Benson Nyasimi Momanyi yechieka emyemo kubwatikana no kungusana na kwendemero iyo okukwabeire gokwene kigwa asegeka bono okungusana no ko nigo kwabete gokwirera omubere onyagosira Yunia Oseko otangwa ase nkendu ase miaka ene bono kondeli tukolya nigo ya mateyo yabage konyora omoiso.
The Suitland LR number Isoge settlement scheme stroke Kimende block 1/67 belongs to the late Momanyi Oseko as has been admitted and agreed upon by all the parties. The late Momanyi is deceased. The parties also agreed that the Suitland was registered in the name of the late Benson Nyasimi Momanyi, who died on 20th January 2022, to hold in trust for Momanyi Oseko. His estate remains unadministered. Both estates remain unadministered. For record purposes, the late Momanyi Oseko died on 7th May 2008. The father of the plaintiff. Second. The father of the plaintiff, who was also a son to Momanyi Oseko, died on 12th January 2016. In the premises, this court orders the cancellation of the title for Isoge settlement scheme Kinene block 1/67.
It's Kineni.
Kineni.
Yes.
I at the end.
Yes.
Yes. This court orders that the same be cancelled and have the land registered in the name of Momanyi Oseko, pending the succession of the estate of the said Momanyi.